Yeah, you can raise it when, yeah. It's all right.
Ma'am, here's the deal. Since you're traveling in this car and it's involved in some traffic violations, okay, I'm going to have to ask you to stay here. If you absolutely need to leave, if you don't mind this officer searching you, if you give her permission to search you, you can by all means leave. All right? Mr. And I apologize fully ahead of time.
That's fine, sir.
But Mr. Yeseral, here's the deal. To drive in the state of Missouri, you do need a valid driver's license of some sort, okay? To travel, to however you want to word it. By all means, if there's a Supreme Court decision, take it and argue it in court.
Yeah, that's why I would like. I don't mean to cut you off, sir. But what I'm trying to say is that's incorrect. But I'm not gonna hold court in the streets with you because you're just doing your job as an officer. My dad is an attorney. He's a lawyer, so I know about the law. I've been doing this, and I got plenty of tickets I can prove to you and show you that I beat all the time in court. And that's why I was asking you if you could take me. I even park my car right here and ride over there with you and show you my stuff. I got a binder full of stuff that I can show you that I do this. Or if you want to write me a ticket or whatever, because I don't have any warrants. I'm not armed. I don't have any drugs on me or nothing like that. So
no, and by all means, you're being cooperative and everything. But here's the deal, man. I need to be able to identify you out of some state. All right. So I need to be able to identify you somehow who you are right now, because right now. I have reasonable suspicion to believe that you're driving an unlicensed motor vehicle, which is a violation of the state of Missouri. Okay?
Well,
I mean, the private registration that you have back there really doesn't work for the state of Missouri.
Yes, it does, because I filed it with the state of Missouri. It's filed here under my UCC agreement. That's why I keep telling you if you would let me go get my. I can
barely hear you.
Yeah, I'm saying that's why I'm saying it is filed. It is registered. I got this through St. Louis County Record of Deeds. I got this filed through them, and I have my record book at the hotel.
So this registration is filed with the state
yes,
of Missouri?
Yes, it is filed. I have all my paperwork over there at that hotel. I'm telling you, sir.
All right. This license plate in the back of your window is
sir.
filed through.
Yes, sir.
Right. He's saying that this is a private vehicle under the UCC, that kind of stuff. This is filed through Missouri.
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying.
Yeah. He's saying that he left his binder at.
Where he seen me pull off at.
Across the street.
Right.
Boone County, 2-71.
I'm trying to give you our proof and give you the documents. I mean, damn.
Boone County, 2-71.
Oh, man.
Boone County, 2-71.
Take care of this. We're really on a time schedule.
I know, that's what I'm trying to, if I could just somehow let Can you go? It doesn't raise down.
It doesn't raise
No,
down.
it does not raise.
Just cracking it a little bit.
It does not raise. It does. I promise you. It doesn't raise down at all. That's what I'm saying.
That's fine. Can you just open your door just slightly?
Can I open my door?
Yeah. Just so I can talk.
Sir, I was just.
Your vehicle's in park?
Yes, in part.
All right. Is it turned off?
Well, I mean, I could turn it off. That's
Turn it off for me real quick.
That's no problem. That's no problem.
So you need to search
All right.
me
Hey,
and
I
have to
appreciate
go.
your cooperation.
Yeah, I could cooperate. That's no problem, sir. You see all this stuff right here? It's all together. Are you familiar with the UCC, sir?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, take.
You said you just need to search me and then I can go, or because I really need to go.
What did he tell you? Has he identified you yet?
Yeah,
He just said
she's identified.
Okay.
he just has my ID and stuff and all that.
And you were okay with her?
Yeah, because I really need to go.
What do you need to do, ma'am?
I really need to go because I need to pick up my sister. Then I need to go back to Washington.
Okay.
So I'm not here for long. I'm on a time schedule because I got to catch a flight.
All right. So you don't have any sort of way that I can identify you, correct?
I'm giving you my information. So I was trying to tell you if you could somehow ride me over there to the hotel, I could give you all my documents, sir. That's what I was trying to tell you. I have everything that you could possibly need. I'm just in a position right now because I haven't committed any crimes. Only traffic ordinance and violations. I haven't committed any crimes or any type of violent crimes or nothing like that. All you did was you said that you stopped me for because you could not see my plates. And that's not, according to you guys' law, that's not a crime for you to lock me up or anything. It's just to write me a ticket, correct?
Yeah, but I need to identify you before I can write you a ticket. And as long as you came back as having some type of valid driver's license, I'd be more than happy to do that.
And I'm not a resident of this state anyway, sir. That's what I was saying. I'm not a resident here. I understand that you guys trying to generate revenue and get your money. I'm telling you, because my dad is an attorney. I do this all the time. I go to court. I get these tickets beat because you don't really have. I'm not being rude or anything. You don't have any jurisdiction over me because the Dred Scott versus Stafford case ruled that African Americans cannot be citizens. According to the Dred Scott versus Stafford, I'm not for sure if you are familiar with that law or not. The Dred Scott versus Stafford. Are you familiar with that, sir?
All right, but here's the deal. I mean,
can you answer my question, sir?
Anything on her?
Can you answer my question, sir?
Just asking if she could go.
He's not trying to answer my question because he's not trying to answer my question. He already know, right? Sir.
Can't identify him.
So, he's not trying to answer my. He running. He running. He running. Y'all see that? He running. Yeah, she hasn't done anything wrong. If y'all could get her straight and get her on her way, that'd be fine by me. I would appreciate that. Yeah, about my fault again. I apologize to get you caught up in all this.
You're fine. It's okay. Like I said, I brought you out. I'm sorry.
No, it's all right. It was bound to happen anyway. I'm not messed up about it. I just wanted to make sure to get you where you needed to get. I know you're having a rough day.
Hey, man.
Yes, sir.
So here's the deal. Can you step out of your vehicle for me?
Sir, I don't feel comfortable stepping outside my vehicle with 3 armed police officers.
All right. Well, what is your social, man?
Sir, I don't go by that stuff no more. I'm telling you, sir. I'm trying to tell you something. If you could just I'm cooperating with you. Can we do it? Can we? Because you're a public servant, right, sir?
Absolutely.
You work for taxpaying citizens. Am I correct?
Absolutely.
Right, I know this law, sir. I'm telling you. So what I'm at, and you took an oath to uphold the law, right?
Uphold the Constitution.
Right, exactly. So that's what I'm asking you, sir. I know y'all gimmicks and games. I'm not trying to be disrespectful or anything like that. I'm telling you, I go to court.
Here's the deal. I'm not doing any gimmicks and games.
Yeah.
I just want your real name,
date
of birth,
I'm telling you,
so I can identify you, give you your ticket, and let you go. Because right now your license plate is checking back to Polaris, which is a watercraft. That's not
Polaris.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
You got any proof on that, sir? Because I said, do you have any proof on that?
Yeah, that's what they're telling me.
That's who's telling you?
That's what dispatch is telling me, bud.
Can I?
Listen, here's the deal. I'm really fine with this. If you want to do this, but I need to identify you properly so I can give you your tickets and you can go to court and you can beat them or do whatever.
Okay. Well, I got one more question. Can I request a lieutenant?
I got a supervisor on his way.
Okay, he's on his way.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
man.
okay. And then we can talk from there or whatever. Because All I'm trying to do is just get y'all my documents so you can have it locked in your system so we won't have this situation. Because I'm telling you right now, I'm not armed. I don't have anything. I got both my hands on the wheel. I'm not doing anything.
No, you're doing everything right.
Yeah.
I just need to be able to identify you. You have to have a driver's license, man.
Sir, you do not. Sir,
I know your argument that no, you don't.
Yeah, you do not have to have a
private citizen, correct?
No, I'm not a private citizen. I don't want you to have to word it like that. I'm not a private citizen.
What's the word?
I am a Hebrew Moorish American.
Oh, sorry, say that one more time.
I am a Hebrew Moorish American.
A Hebrew Moorish American.
Moorish American. And are you familiar? I asked you a question. Are you familiar with the Dred Scott versus Stanford case?
What country were you
keep
born
on running. I'm asking you a question. Are you familiar with the Dred Scott versus Stanford case, sir?
I'm sorry, but are you born out of this country?
Why he won't answer my question? I'm asking you a question, sir. Can we both be polite here? So I'm asking you a question. Are you familiar with the Dred?
You can be polite whenever I can get your real name, okay, man?
Oh my God! Did you see this dude? Dude don't even answer my question.
Hold on, man. I'll be right back, okay?
All right.
You're doing good.
He know I'm killing him. He don't even want to answer my question. You see how he keep running? I know this law stuff. My old dude, they try to do this stuff. Are they gonna let you go?
I hope so. They should. I mean, they need to, because they got a few more minutes. I need to go.
He keep on running. Yeah, he is running. I know I should just let my binder in here. That was not, boy, this has been a fucked up day for me on not keeping my stuff. So I locked my keys in my car earlier and left my binder in the hotel room. Something told me to grab it when I was done. I was like, no, that's right. I said, we right across the street.
It's right across
I'm like, they ain't gonna pull me over. Because I seen him behind me. I was like, he finna pull me over. And I was like, let me hurry up and get the Super 8. Let her get out real quick and I'll handle my stuff. But that's not how it folded.
Where'd you buy the car from?
That's not how it folded.
Was it out in St. Louis?
I don't answer questions from police officers, sir.
Okay, well, will you answer it for me as a person?
If you take off your suit, yeah, I can do that.
I'm not gonna get naked out here.
I know, right? That's the whole point.
Well, the reason I asked is because it's not registered to anybody. It's registered to a dealership.
It's registered.
You're driving around without a registered vehicle.
No, it's registered, sir. I have documents.
I just ran it. And
sir, I'm trying to tell you, sir. It's registered. I can get all the information to you if you guys would let me go over to this hotel and let me get my paperwork.
Well, ma'am, are you wanting to leave?
Yeah,
okay,
I need to.
You're good to go.
Thank you. All right. I'm so sorry.
That's fine.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay, yeah, we're good. But that's the thing. If you're driving around, you got to keep it on you.
You say I got to keep it on me?
Yeah, you got to keep the registration.
That's the whole point. That's the whole point why I have a binder, sir. I have a binder with all my stuff in it. I usually keep all my stuff in my binder.
Why isn't it in the car though?
Because I have people riding with me, and I had all type of stuff in the back seat. I got this, and I had two people in the car with me, so I couldn't. Okay. Could you come around, sir? Could he tell?
He's not gonna come out. He's gonna have you step out. I need you to step out.
What am I stepping out for, sir? What did I do?
All right. You haven't gave me the correct name, man.
I haven't gave you the correct name.
All right.
All right, I'm coming. Yeah, I just want. Is that a lawful order? I'm saying, sir, is that a lawful order?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming out. I don't have anything. No guns, no weapons, no anything.
Weapons just because.
No guns, no weapons, no anything.
Okay, great. Perfect. Outstanding. I want you to go stand over here on the sidewalk so we can talk.
All right. So I'm asking you a question, sir. I'm trying to figure out why am I being detained for? I understand the reason why your sir pulled me over. He's just doing his job, no disrespect or nothing like that. Right. My dad is an attorney, and I know the law. Okay. So the thing about it is that he pulled me over and he said that I'm driving without a license and blah blah blah, whatever the case is. I'm trying to figure out why he just can't give me a ticket. I'm giving him that's what I just changed my name to. I have a name correction. I don't go by that name anymore. Once I recorded it at the Record of Deeds downtown in St. Louis County, they told me I do not have to go by that name anymore. So therefore, I have all my paperwork and my stuff at the hotel. I'm not trying to.
Here's what we're trying to
for anything.
And I'm not either. Here's what we're trying to avoid.
Right.
So you don't come back under that name to the Department of Revenue.
No, sir.
My understanding is that you don't believe that you need to have a driver's license.
No, it's not. It's not that I don't believe. It's that the Supreme Court ruled that. I didn't make these laws.
Okay.
I didn't make them. Just like you don't make the laws, you just
I'm not
enforce
going to
them.
argue with you. I'm going to state my point,
Right.
and then
That's what I'm doing
you
too.
can make a decision.
Yes, sir.
Now, understand there may be a consequence for your
Right.
decision. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to make this any harder than it needs to be.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But if you have a name that has a driver's license under it,
Okay.
that would be helpful for him to not issue a summons or arrest you for
I
that.
can give you, if that's what y'all really gonna if y'all really gonna press me about that, I can give y'all that.
Okay.
So is it all right for me, since you guys are all armed? Can I please reach in my pocket slowly and get my
You've been
get my
checked for weapons. Go ahead.
Get my license.
You're fine.
Okay.
Go
Okay.
ahead,
I'm
man.
just going in
I
my pocket
appreciate you
slowly.
being
Because I know I've been trained to be a law-abiding citizen. I'm going to get my license. If y'all want to, matter of fact, I'll get it out. Because I'm willing.
You understand, right? All of this is because of you, not because
No.
of something that we do.
All of this is because you guys are forcing and generating revenue. You're forcing and generate revenue.
Sir, is this a correct address for you?
when
Is this a good mailing address where you can receive any court paperwork?
I mean, it says it on the license, sir. Yeah.
Is it correct? Is it good for that?
I mean, you could use it. Yeah.
Will you be able to receive? Because I don't want an
I don't-
FTA warrant to come out.
I
for
don't.
you.
I don't deal for it anyway, sir.
All right. What would be a good address that the courts can mail?
I'm homeless.
You're homeless?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All this for little old me. Oh, I forgot to ask you. Let me just do something real quick. What's your name and badge number, sir?
My name is Jeff Jones. And Jeff is spelled Geoff. And my PIN number is 1349.
Okay.
I don't have a badge.
Sir, what's your name and your badge number?
Harlan Hatton. Harlan Hatton. I don't have a badge number either. My PIN number is 1403.
1403. Okay. Excuse me, sir.
He's going to tell you it'll be on the summons.
No, I just need to get it for put it on the record. Yeah, for the record. Yeah, I have a record.
Oh, yeah.
There's video.
Yeah, for my record. Yeah, you know, yeah.
Well, just for the record also, all of this is recorded by 3, 4 videos.
But
you can request any of it.
But
You can call down and say, hey, I want to talk to you.
Just as well as you don't know me and I don't know you, I can't just go off by that. Just like you can't go off what I got or my word of mouth, I have to put my stuff on record as well.
Okay.
No disrespect. And once you guys give me a ticket, is it all right that I give you guys my information so y'all can lock me in the system and we don't have this problem no more? Is it all right if I can submit my documents into you guys? Because I'm not a part of you guys' jurisdiction. This Dred Scott versus Stanford rule that African Americans cannot be citizens, and it hasn't been challenged and rebutted, and it still stands to this day. And I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart, when you guys wrote the Constitution, it was intended for we the people. We the people. People was not intended for blacks. Only way that you could be a citizen is when you are a corporation, and a corporation is by my name, by y'all forcing me to give up, and y'all harassing me to make me give y'all my license when I'm telling y'all what my name is. You know, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. You know, I mean, I understand that that's what y'all go by, that's y'all system. I have to give y'all my stuff, but this is very unlawful, sir. It's very unlawful.
I appreciate your position.
No problem, sir.
See ya.
Very unlawful, boy. I know I just look like a regular old black guy with dreads, nappy head, don't know the law, but you have rights to protect people. You gotta protect your rights. You can't let these people just try to bulge you and take your rights. This is the type of stuff they do. They get 5, 6 police officers to intimidate you and make you get out your vehicle. This is what they do. How many officers? 1, 2 police cars. Ain't no telling how many more on the way. Just for me, I'm just 165. I'm 5'11". I'm not a threat. I don't have any guns, no weapons, no drugs, no nothing. I do everything right, the legal way. And you see what all this leads to? And I try to tell them what my paperwork is about and everything. It's not respected, you know. But they forcing business, forcing commerce, trying to tell me I have to have a driver's license. They'll be hearing. Because they mess with the right smart Negro, the right one. Yeah, I know it is. It is funny, ain't it? I'll be laughing too. I know it is comical. I know.
It is.
I know it is. It is. I'm laughing with you because if I was in your position, I'd be like, this guy, he think he knows. He don't know nothing. don't know none of that.
No, that's
But
not what
you know,
saying.
I know.
What I'm saying is you have a license in your pocket. All you had to do is give it to them.
No,
and be on
sir.
your
No,
way.
sir. I don't have. I don't have to.
Because
I don't
when
have to
you're-
do anything,
Yeah,
sir.
you do. If
No,
you're
I
gonna
don't.
drive a
I don't
car, you
have.
do.
I don't have
If
to.
you're gonna drive a
No,
car,
I
you
don't,
do.
sir.
Yeah.
No, I don't, sir. I don't have
There's
to.
rules.
I don't have to.
You don't follow the rules.
I
you get a ticket. That's the way it
I
is.
bet you I beat it. I bet you I beat it. I bet you $1 million I beat it. I bet you $1 million. And then y'all gonna be looking silly when I beat it in court. And
I never look silly.
matter of fact, when I get done, you know, I'll make sure I submit all my stuff to y'all so y'all can see I beat case after case. No matter what the case is, it don't matter what it is. It's beat. It could be a burglary. It's beat. It don't matter what it is. It's beaten.
Maybe in your mind it is.
No, I can show you. You want to put some money on it?
No.
That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
I don't care that much.
But you're a public servant, sir. Do your job.
I am doing my
Act
job.
accordingly. You're
We
a
are.
public servant.
We're
You
stopping
work,
the
you
car
work,
to
you
stop.
work, but you work for me. You work for these people.
You're not a part of this jury.
Yes, I am. I'm a part of all this stuff because I pay taxes.
You just told me
I
you
pay
weren't.
taxes.
You just told me
I
you
pay
weren't.
taxes, sir. I pay. As long as I pay taxes, you work for me. Yeah. I
Well,
pay
then can I
taxes.
have a raise?
I pay taxes. No, you cannot. Not the way you acting right now. Not the way you acting. No, what would I give you away when you acting right
How am
now?
I acting?
You could have been like, sir. You know what? You probably are doing some stuff in the right way, sir. You know, maybe we are doing it a little wrong here and there. Maybe I believe that you have to have a driver's license, but you're telling me I have to have a driver's license? Okay.